Hey guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a great day. Let's make a memory. Stay tuned. So guys, I had a goal of hitting 2,000 by the end of June. Didn't quite make it, but you know what? I'm going to make it either today or tomorrow. So close, so close. I believe it's going to happen today. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, guys, because I have a wonderful giveaway at 2,000 subscribers that I'll be doing, and it's something that I think all of you would love to win. So the only way you can win is if you're a subscriber to my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can get in on the giveaway, but more importantly, get notified when I upload a new video. So today we are still doing craft fair projects and Christmas in July. And all of the projects that I'm doing, even though I'm doing them with Christmas paper, change the paper. You can do them for any reason, any season. And they don't have to be for craft fairs. You don't have to do a craft fair to craft these projects. You can use them for any reason and any occasion. So I'm going to go ahead and show you today's really adorable project. I said let's make a memory, and that's exactly what we're going to do. It is a scrapbook board, just a page of Christmas. So you can scrap your Christmas memory and give it to someone, or set it on your desk, or frame it and put it on a wall. This is just absolutely adorable, and I use my Frank Garcia paper, and you can just see the gold foiling and how beautiful this is. And we're going to go ahead and make it right now, and you'll see how easy it is to make. So to make our project, the first thing that we're going to do is make the mats for it. And we're going to start with the smaller one first. So the smaller one measures 4 by 3, and then I'm going to layer a piece that measures 3 3/4 by 2 3/4, and then I'll layer the top piece, which is 3 1/2 by 2 1/2. Really quick. I'm going to use my Tombow tape runner. Get this centered. And put this one down. All right, guys, so that's one. Let's do the larger one. I am using a journaling card from this pack, which is the Prima Christmas in the Country pack. Same size as a Project Life card. It's 6 by 4. So we're starting with 6 by 4. My red mat measures 5 1/2 by 3 1/2. And this measures 5 1/4 by 3 1/4. Let's go ahead and tape it down. Okay, so let me put this down. And let me put this down. And there, we've got our 2 mats all done. All right, guys, so we've got our mats all done. Let's bring in the board. So this board measures 9 by 7 1/2, and I am going to use this beautiful paper. It's got Santa down in the corner. You can see that gold foiling. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to turn it on this side, and my goal when I put my board down, I'm going to try to get as much of Santa on here as I can. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do is just lay it down like this, because I want as much of Santa on as possible. And then I'm going to come back with my scissors and just trim off my excess. And let's see how I did. Okay, that's going to be pretty good. So then I'll just fold over my ends, and then I'm going to come back and miter cut my corners. Really quick project, really gorgeous project. And that's one of the things about Christmas craft fairs. You know, everybody's in a sentimental mood, and the more personal things that you can have at your craft table, the more people are drawn to your table. So I'm going to go ahead and place some tape down. And then I'm going to lift up my tape. And go ahead and get this stuck down. Alright, so now that my tape is down, I'll go ahead and just fold over and get this nice and stuck. Just like this. And I'll do this on all sides. Alright guys, so I have my back covered, my edges are folded over, and I've already placed my tape, and the front just looks beautiful. So I am going to take my piece of liner for the back, which measures 8 3/4 by 7 1/4, and I am going to place some glue down along the edges so that I can get this nice and stuck. And this really is a quick project, but it's just so pretty. And nothing will draw craft fair goers to your booth like pretty. We love pretty. And if you make it pretty, they will come, and then they will see the quality of what you have, and then you will outsell your competition. And I know what I'm talking about. Alright, so then I'm going to come back in with my bone folder, and I'm going to get this stuck down, flip this over, and we are going to go ahead and take our larger mat, run some Tombow tape runner on the back of that, and then we're going to stick it down right over here. And then we'll take our smaller mat, run some Tombow on it, and we're going to stick it down right about here. And now the rest is just decorating this little pretty mat. So I'm going to come back with my Prima chipboard stickers that actually go with these papers, and I am going to place one down right here, and it says Our Christmas Story, which I think is just absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm going to come back with some of my little gems here, and I think I'm still going to stick with the red because I like how they pop. So I'm going to put one there, and then one here. And these also come with the Christmas collection. So you can see how pretty those are. And then to really dress this up, we're going to kick this up a notch with just a couple of flowers. And we're going to put those right here along the bottom and really just bring in the festive. So I am going to take a little bit of my glue and place it just like that. Bring in my glue on this, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the petals so everything will stick. I'm going to place that right there. And then I'm going to come back in with some of my tiny little green dots here, and I'm just going to place some of these down in between my flowers to bring some bling to the bottom of this. And then finally, what I want to do is I want to add just a couple of my small red dots on both sides of this, just to help highlight that little chipboard sticker. So let me make sure I've got that nice and straight. I'm gonna move this one over some. And guys, it was that quick. That quick. I am going to bring in the other one so that you can see just how pretty it is. And one thing I noticed is that I did put a sticker here, and I think I'm going to do the same thing on this one. And I think that what I'm going to do is just place this gorgeous, let me see if this wreath is going to work right there, if that's too busy. Oh no, not too busy. So I am going to place that right there. And that way when the picture goes down, it'll get tucked in right behind it. And I think that these are absolutely fabulous. So quick. And if I went to a craft fair, would I buy it? Heck yeah, I would. Because this is a great way for me to make a memory of my family's special Christmas. It is gorgeous, guys. So I am going to show you in another video how I would package this, and it will be next level packaging, not standard. It is going to highlight the beauty of this so that when the person who sees it looks at it, they won't question whether or not they want to buy it. They won't question the price that I ask for this, which I'll also discuss with you guys on Saturday. They are going to say, I want this. Can you add it to my bag? And I'm going to say, yes, I can. So, y'all have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.